Is it possible to create security groups by using Terraform script? Hi, this is Raviteja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 27 class. In this class, we are going to learn about how to create the security groups by using Terraform script. Also, how you can attach the security group to the instance. These are the things we are going to understand in today's class. Make sure that you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to deal with how to create the security groups by using Terraform and how we can allow the port numbers as per our requirement. Also how we can attach the security groups to the instance. These are the things we are going to understand in today's class. Okay, let me create one folder. Terraform class. Let me open VS Code. Open folder. Open this. Select this folder. In this folder, I am going to create Terraform block, provider block, and resource block. First, I am going to create the Terraform block. You already know how to create it. Terraform block.tf. Enter. In this, I am going to write the script. Okay. In this Terraform block, what we are having is this is the source and the version of the Terraform is 6.2.0. So these details we have to mention in Terraform block. Paste it here and then just save this. After that, I am going to create the provider block. Provider.tf. In this provider.tf, we have to mention which cloud we are using over here. Okay, we are AWS students, so our cloud is to AWS. So the Terraform has to identify which cloud we are using. So for that identification, we have to mention which cloud we are using. Okay. Then open provider block. Copy this. Paste it here. Remove the profile. Okay. You have to select the region. Which region you want to create the EC2 instance and security groups as well. So let me figure it out at what region I am going to consider. Click on sign in. Okay. I am in Singapore region, right? Which is AP Southeast 1. So I am going to modify AP Southeast 1. AP Southeast 1. Okay. Now let me save this first. Okay. Now I am going to create the resource block. Resource.tf. Enter. In this, I am going to create the instance first. After that, I am going to create the security groups as well. So let me create instance first. Open this. Here you need to modify some of the things over here. I will tell you where you can modify. Paste it here. Okay. We have to copy the AMI ID which you are using Amazon Linux or Ubuntu. So for that we have to give the AMI ID over here. So what you can do is click on instance, EC2, click on launch instance. Okay. In this case, I am going to use Amazon Linux. So just I am going to copy this and paste it in place of AMI ID. Paste it here. And the key pair is, I already created the key pair which is key hyphen pair. This is my key pair name. And give the instance name, which instance, at what name the instance is going to be launched. For suppose I am going to give DevOps hyphen instance. Okay. Let me save this first. Okay. This is the way of creating instance, right? Whenever you are giving the commands like Terraform commands, init, plan, execute, validate. These are the things whenever you are giving, it going to be create. But whenever you are trying to connect to the instance, it won't be allow because the port number is you have not mentioned, right? SSH is to be 22. That should be you have to specify in the security groups. Okay. How can you create the security groups? There are two major things: ingress and other one is egress. Two things we have. Ingress means incoming traffic, egress means outgoing traffic that we need to specify in this resource block. So I have the script already. Just I am going to copy and paste it here. Then let me explain you how the security groups are going to be work. Right? Okay, let me open this. Okay, create security group for SSH traffic. Right? Resource, we are using AWS security group, right? So we have to mention AWS security group and you can give the name whatever the name you want in place of this. Okay, the same name you have to specify over here. Ingress means incoming traffic from port, means it is the starting port of 22 and ending port is also be 22. Protocol which is TCP. Okay, CIDR means this can be says as all traffic, right? Egress means from port is 0 to port is also 0. Protocol means like TCP, UDP, whatever the protocol, the outgoing traffic is going to be out from the instance. So why I am telling instance, because we are connecting to the instance, right? So whatever the traffic we have in the instance, it is going to be out. Minus ones means every traffic like TCP or UDP, whatever the protocol we have. In the CIDR blocks means all traffic. Okay, this is the way of you are allowing only SSH, means 22 protocol. Okay, paste it here and what I am supposed to do is I am going to allow HTTP which is 80 as well, because by using this instance I am going to log Nginx as well. Whenever you are installing the Nginx, you have to modify something in the index.html file. So you have to give some content in the HTML file and copy the public IP, paste it in the edge. Then you can observe whether the functionality is working properly or not. So for that only I am going to allow HTTP as well. Okay. Or else you can go with only HTTP, SSH. Is it also enough? Okay. Similar process over here. From port is 80 to port is also 80. Protocol TCP CADR is all traffic. Egress means outgoing traffic. From instance it is going to be out. From port is 0 to port is 0. Protocol means TCP or UDP, whatever the protocol we have. CADR block means all traffic. Okay, we have created the security group rules, right? But we have not attached to the instance. Even you are trying to create this instance, the port numbers not to be specified to the instance. We have to mention in the EC2 instance block. Then only it is possible to attach these rules to the instance. Okay, let me attach over here security groups. Okay, security hyphen groups equal to enter. Okay, I am already having the script. Copy this. Let me explain you how it's gonna be work. Okay, AWS security group means this is the one for the name is SSH hyphen SG, right? We have to change over here hyphen SG. Okay, and then AWS security group means this is web. We have to give the HTTP what we have given the name HTTP SG. Okay, paste it here. Here what happens is by using this name, this incoming and outbound rules, those are going to be associated with the instance. Also dot HTTP hyphen SG is it also going to be the rules are going to be associated with the instance, same instance, right? By using this name. Okay, what I supposed to do is I'm going to save this first, and also provider block is also going to be saved, and Terraform block as well. Now what I supposed to do is you can observe here, do we have any instances? Okay, one instance is running. Okay, let me open the terminal over here. Okay, Terraform init. It's going to be initializing. Okay, Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now I am going to give the command which is Terraform validate. Enter. Okay, we got an error. Let me figure it out. Okay, open the provider block. I put it minus over here. So remove this and then just save this. Now give the same command Terraform validate. Okay, configuration is success valid, right? Now I am going to say the command which is Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Enter. Plan added to 3 means the security groups are going to be created two. One is for SSH and other one is for HTTP and third one is instance. These three things are going to be create. Whenever you say the command which is Terraform apply, it's going to be started to create. Click on enter. Okay. We got an error. Oh, let me figure it out. Sorry. Oh, Terraform apply. Say yes. First, the security groups are going to be create. After that, the instance is going to be create. Okay. Everything is created. Added 3. Destroyed is 0. Let me check whether the security groups and instances are launched or not. Do refresh. Okay. This is the instance I launched by using the Terraform script, right? So click on this. Let me check whether the security groups having this instance or not. Just come down, click on security. Are you able to see two security groups? These two we have created by using the script, right? Whenever you click on SSH SG, it is having the 22 port number, right? Also, whenever you are clicking HTTP, it is having the HTTP port number, which is 80. Click on security and click on this edit inbound rules. It is having the port number 80, right? So the two security groups are associated with the instance which we have created the instance, right? Now what I supposed to do is I am going to connect the instance. Click on this. In that I am going to install the Nginx. Connect this. Clear this. Sudo -i. First update the system. mupdate -y. Install Nginx -y. cd space /usr /share /nginx /html. Enter. Say ls rm index.html. Enter. Yes vi index.html. Insert mode. This is an instance created by Terraform. Escape shift colon wq. Enter. Systemctl restart Nginx. Enter. Systemctl status Nginx. Okay, it is in active state, right? So now what I supposed to do is I'm going to just copy this IP, public IP, open it, paste it here, say colon 80, enter. Okay, have you got? This is an instance created by the Terraform. Okay, this is the way we are going to allow and deny the port numbers by using the script. I am not created manually, I just created by using the script, right? So this is the process: creating EC2 instance and attaching the security groups and creating the security groups. The security groups are going to be attached to the instance. This is the process we have. This is the process. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. After that, if you want to terminate them, just say the command which is terraform destroy. Enter. Say yes. It's going to be destroy. Let me check. Do refresh. Click on instances. Okay, it's terminated, right? This is the process we have. Thank you.